From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, as you can see on Skycam, a little light snow is falling once again, at least on our view of the connector. And I just poked my head outside our studio to make sure. And yeah, it's light snow coming down, but it is starting to stick on the pavement. Temperature is at freezing, so wherever you are, if you're doing some driving this evening, be very careful because we're right on that freezing line. 32 degrees in Boise, southeast wind at 8 miles per hour. Not as windy as the last day or two, but hasn't really warmed things up much, even though it's not going to get much colder than this on through the rest of the evening and overnight. In fact, temperatures will probably rise a little bit during the night. Our high today was 35 after a morning low of 31, so not a lot of change throughout the day, only a 4-degree difference. And so far, almost 1/10 of an inch of precipitation with occasional snow showers that are going through and be mixed with rain as well, off and on for the next 24 hours or so. So these are the highs elsewhere, upper 30s in the western end of the valley, up into the low 40s at Twin Falls, but stayed in the 20s in many of the mountain locations this afternoon. And there's a bit of a wind chill with that southeasterly breeze, so it feels like 25 in Boise right now, and it does feel like the teens and 20s elsewhere around southwest Idaho. So another frontal system moving through the area as part of that atmospheric river of moisture from the Pacific aimed right at our region again with several disturbances moving through. Over the next couple of days, it will gradually lift snow levels, gradually bring milder temperatures to the valley areas, but a lot of moisture for 1 to 3 feet of snow between now and Saturday in the mountain areas. And most of the lower valley locations will see snow, but mixing with or changing to rain on occasion. Oddly enough, we might see the snow during the day and the rain at night. So you could get up to an inch of snow and then it melts off or changes back to rain a little bit. Winter storm warnings out for some mountain areas in the pink, including the upper Weiser Basin, the Owyhee, southern Twin Falls County, and into the central mountain areas for up to a foot of snow at higher elevations. Most of the mountain communities under a winter weather advisory, as well as the Magic Valley, for anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of snow in the mountain areas and 1 to 3 inches in the Magic Valley on through tomorrow morning. So FUTURECAST shows that snow right now, beginning to mix with and change over to rain during the night and continue into tomorrow morning. Then a bit of a break and then more snow showers coming in later in the day tomorrow, changing back to rain overnight and into Thursday. Following that system, we warm up enough for basically rain late Thursday on into Friday as well. And then things start to dry out a little bit as we head toward the weekend. So just kind of a messy weather pattern going on, but some very beneficial moisture continuing to stream into Idaho. So for the Magic Valley, tonight, look for some snow, mixing with rain at times, and then tomorrow a rain-snow mix with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s through the afternoon. Mountain areas, snow, certainly snow above 4,000 feet or so. Wet snow in some locations, piling up 4 to 8 inches in the mountain communities, a foot or more in the higher elevations, temperatures in the low 30s. And for the western Treasure Valley, overnight lows near freezing, and warming up a little bit during the night. High tomorrow around 36 degrees in Emmett, 37 in Nampa, and 37 in Boise with scattered rain and snow on occasion. Changing over to rain by late Thursday into Friday as temperatures warm up into the low 40s. And then we'll see a drier pattern developing by the weekend as high pressure builds in. More sunshine during the day, patchy fog at night though. And we'll see those temperatures back down pretty close to the low to mid 30s, a little closer to normal for January. So that's how it's looking for the next 4 to 5 days.